So there is an operating range. They're advertised on the Tesla website as being able to be installed outside, but we recommend putting them inside. If you want your backup power in the winter, you're going to want to have it inside. It can safely be installed outside, but it shuts itself off if the temperature is outside of that operating range. And so if backup power is what you want, you certainly don't want to have your nice fancy Tesla battery pack shut off because of cold temperature.